Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the watch has enough power and is comfortable on your wrist so interactions are stable. Once done, find the mode and select buttons. These are how you navigate. Press mode once to reach timer options. Make sure you choose countdown if you need a set duration rather than measuring elapsed time. You do this first so later steps change values, not modes, which prevents accidental resets and saves time. Now you enter duration edit, usually a long press on select. This lets you change digits. You change hours first, then press select to move to minutes and again to seconds. Use the up and down buttons to increment or decrement values precisely. Make sure to watch for rollover rules. Some watches skip zeros, so nudge values slowly. Once digits show your desired duration, press mode or select to confirm. This locks the time ready to finish. Press start or select to begin the countdown. You'll hear or feel alerts when time's up. If you need a pause, press start again and resume with the same button. Use reset to clear or long press to restore default settings. If the timer won't start, make sure you're in the timer mode, not stopwatch. Check for a button lock and confirm battery level. If still stuck, restart the watch and repeat the setup. This clears temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.